Now, come to QuestionsTube to get the latest study materials and prepare for your Linux Professional Institute (LPI) BSD Specialist 702-100 exam well. Obtain substantial know-how through 702-100 real exam questions and answers, facilitating seamless learning for beginners with minimal hassle. Utilize our superb 702-100 practice questions to attain 100% proficiency together with the dynamic LPI 702-100 study materials. Prepare for the Linux Professional Institute BSD Specialist 702-100 exam and attain exceptional success with QuestionsTube. We have completed the real 702-100 exam questions with accurate answers to empower you to conquer all of the challenges of the BSD Specialist exam. Trust within the 702-100 practice exam questions and boost your capabilities. The 702-100 exam is the requirement for the Linux Professional Institute BSD Specialist certification. The BSD Specialist certification is a component of the Linux Professional Institute (LPI) Open Technology Certification Program. It emphasizes the practical abilities necessary to effectively operate in a free BSD, NetBSD, or OpenBSD environment, and assesses the understanding and proficiencies needed to manage BSD operating systems. The real 702-100 exam questions of QuestionsTube are based on the latest BSD Specialist exam objectives. All the 702-100 exam questions and answers are very productive in supporting your Linux Professional Institute BSD Specialist exam preparation objectives, enhancing your understanding, and boosting your self-assurance. The real 702-100 exam questions give a secure process of preparation, streamlining your LPI BSD Specialist exam utilizing a reputable source of instruction and complete tricks to pass the 702-100 exam on your initial attempt. Passing the 702-100 exam for the LPI BSD Specialist certification will propel your career to new heights. We at QuestionsTube have the real 702-100 exam questions with 100% passing guarantee. Now, you can reap the benefits of LPI 702-100 free questions to assess the good quality of 702-100 practice exam. 1. When creating a symbolic link, an error message indicating that the target already exists is displayed. Which statement is true? A. In cannot override an existing target, so the target must be manually removed. B. In can override the target, but only if it is a file. C. In can override the target, but only if it is a directory. D. In can override the target, whether it is a file or a directory. E. In cannot override an existing symbolic link. Answer. A. 2. Assuming a UMask of 022, what are the default permissions in octal mode of the newly created files? A. 022, B. 622, C. 644, D. 666, E. 755. Answer. C. 3. Which command updates the database used by locate to find files? A. Search DB, B. Locate updated B, C. Find, D. Whereas, E. Which? Answer. B. 4. Which command and option can be used to perform a reverse DNS lookup? A. dig X, B. DNSSEC check, C. host reverse, D. NS update R, E. RDNS-1. Answer A. 5. Which of the following commands can be used to connect to a remote TCP service? A. portstat, B. service, C. listen, D. netcat, E. connect. Answer D. 6. How many 28 IPv4 subnets can be created within a 24 IPv4 prefix? A. 64, B. 8, C. 16, D. 4, E. 32. Answer C. 7. Which command sets 192.168.1.1 as the default gateway on a BSD system? A. root add default 192.168.1.1, B. root add GW 192.168.1.1, C. root default 192.168.1.1, D. root gateway 192.168.1.1, E. root set 192.168.1.1. Answer A. 8. Which of the following commands installs binary packages on OpenBSD? A. pkgbin, B. port add, C. portinst, D. package install, E. package underscore add. Answer E. 9. What is the name of the NetBSD installation program? A. Anaconda, B. BSD Road, C. NB Insta 11, D. Sysinst, E. Sysinsta 11. Answer D. 10. What is the purpose of the file, boot, loader, conference on OpenBSD? A. specify where to install the bootloader, B. specify the kernel image to load, C. specify options for starting operating systems other than BSD, D. specify kernel configuration options, E. specify which system services to start. Answer C.